What is going on, guys? My name is Sick Will, and today we're going to be reviewing Pro Kleen's Strawberry Milkshake Snow Foam. So today we're going to be doing a small review on the Strawberry Milkshake Pro Kleen Snow Foam. But as you may notice, we're not actually in the Civic today. I've decided to, since it's actually Father's Day today, I said I'd go wash my dad's van, and I've actually had this snow foam kicking about for a little while now. I bought this a couple months ago and it's just been sat around not being used, and I thought I'd decide to do a little bit of review on it. There isn't a review as such on YouTube, so I thought I'd give it a shot and see what it's like. This van's not been washed for around 6 months or something like that, so I'm not expecting miracles. It's had it's got a lot of dust on it. It's got a lot of dead bugs all over it and stuff like that, because he takes this all over the place. So yeah, I'm just going to treat this as more of a pre-wash than anything. So we'll see how it goes. We'll give it a good rinse down before, and see how it looks from there. Alright guys, so you've seen a few shots of me cleaning the van up and everything. Well, one thing I want to start with is the fact that it says on the bottle quite clearly, for maximum foam we recommend you use a ratio of 1 part snow foam to 3 parts warm water, which is exactly what we did, and it came out, it was not as thick as I was expecting it to be, in all honesty. And also another point is it didn't really come out pink. I was expecting it to be. Everyone else who does this, they seem to have quite pink looking snow foam. I mean, this is the Strawberry Milkshake for one, and it also didn't really seem to smell. Both me and my pal Chris at the time, we couldn't really smell anything fruity, and you know, I mean, we did give it a good shake before. It says please shake well before use, but yeah, that was one thing. But as far as results go, yeah, they were good. I mean, like I said before, I wasn't expecting miracles, because I mean, this van hasn't been washed for a good 6 months. But yeah, so we did the first wash, and yeah, it was okay, but it was better after the second wash. We ended up doing it again just to see if it improved slightly, and yeah, it definitely did. I think remove more of the stub and stuff. But like I said, it was only a pre-wash. But if someone asked me would I buy it again, I mean, don't get me wrong, this stuff's pretty expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for it at the time, but I remember it being quite a bit, because you have to pay a bit for postage because it's got some weight to it and everything. Would I get it again? Probably not. I feel like just because it's pink. I know they've got some other colours and flavours and whatever, but I don't really see that. To me, it seems a bit of a gimmick, in all honesty. I wouldn't. Yeah, like I said, it did its job. It wasn't brilliant. It didn't really come out thick for me, really, and it didn't seem to smell. Might have just been, I don't know if it was bad luck or whatever like that. But yeah, no, it wasn't quite what I was expected it to be. But in short, I mean, the van is clean, don't get me wrong, but yeah, no, I wouldn't use it again. If you wanted to see more detailed product reviews, stuff like that, give me a shout and see if there's if there's anything you fancy, knowing if it's any good or not, or if you wanted an honest review on something. Please comment below and let me know. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers, guys.